Children, this is Shubhasa speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter mensuration, which is already over in the previous video. We had discussed about almost everything of the chapter mensuration. So here in this particular video, we will discuss about some new concepts of algebra, in which I'll discuss about the formation of algebraic expressions, what is algebra, what is identities, what is variable. Everything will be discussed in this particular video. So children, please do watch this video carefully. Let us have a look. So here in this particular video, we'll come to know what is algebra. What is algebra? Algebra means when we define any quantity or any number with the help of variables and number. Variables plus number forms algebraic formations or equations or identities, whatever. So now question is that, sir, why variable is required? Variable, what is the meaning of this word variable? Variable means any alphabets representing a group of numbers or a collection of number. For an example, children, if I say what is the value of 2 plus 3, everybody will be able to answer that, sir, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now, if I ask a question, what is the value of x plus 9? Nobody will be able to answer. You might be thinking, sir, what is x? And 9 is known, 9 we know it's a number, but what is x? So until and unless we don't know what is x, we cannot find the value of x plus 9. Now question is that, sir, if we are given the value of x, suppose x is told 1. So we can simply answer, seeing the value of x or taking the value of x, 1 plus 9, because in the place of x will be replaced by 1. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. So simply writing 1 plus 9 is equal to 10, we can answer the value of x plus 9 is equal to 10. So children, in the similar processes, in the similar way, when we say suppose y plus 2 is equal to how much? If suppose the value of y is 10, somewhere it's told that the value of y is equal to 10. So 10 plus 2 can be simply written as 12. So from where this 12 has come? By adding 10 plus 2. Now from where this 10 has come? From the value of y, because y is equal to 10. I'm giving this value to you. So now question is that, sir, why we are using the term variable? Because the meaning of the word variable is which can be varied, which can be changed. Not necessarily that the value of y should be always 10. It can be 11 also. It can be 12 also. It can be 13 also. It can be 1 lakh also. So it may be changed in every different questions. The value of a particular variable may change. It may vary. Due to that reason, we are using the word variable, which may vary. From number to number, which may vary, that is called variable. So now children, now the question is that, so how to deal with this kind of questions? Suppose if we are given x plus 9 is equal to 11. If you are asked that find the value of x plus 9 is equal to 11, the first concept comes to our mind that the value of x should be something which is to be added to 9 resulting 11. What could be that number? That number could be 2. Because only 9 plus 2 results 11. Only 9 plus 2 results 11. I'm generally considering 2 over here. Any other number can also be taken. So always 2 plus 9 results 11. There is no other number than x. 2 adding to 9 will be resulting 11. So these all are known as algebra. This is called algebra. Algebra means some abstract value will be there in the question, might be not there in the question. We have to consider and we have to find the value of that particular equation. This is called algebraic equations, because here is a presence of equal to sign. Here is a presence of equal to sign. Now question is that, sir, then what is algebraic expressions? These are expressions. Suppose y plus 2, p plus 9, so z minus 2. These all are expressions. They cannot be defined. They cannot be solved until and unless we are not given the value of the variable. If we are holding the value of the variable, we can find the answer for this expressions. If you are given the value of the variable, I repeat, if you are given the value of the variable, we can easily find the value of such expressions easily. Now children, the most important thing in this particular exercise, the chapter, first exercise of 11.1, question number 4. Question number 4, because 1, 2, 3 is under this, in such explanations only. Question number 4, which is to be explained. If there are 50 mangoes in a box, suppose children there is a box, there are 50 mangoes. There are 50 mangoes in a box. And if I have got, suppose, 3 such boxes, all are having 50 mangoes, what is the total number of mangoes we are having right now? 3 into 50, 150 mangoes we are having presently right now with ourselves, as one box contains 50 mangoes. 50, 50 and 50 mangoes in each boxes. Now question comes to our mind when we are having, suppose B number of boxes. We don't know how many boxes are there, and each box contains 50 mangoes. So how many mangoes are there in total, children? B into 50. Here as we multiplied, there are 3 boxes, each boxes contain 50 mangoes, which is simply multiplied 3 into 50 and we got 150. Similarly, if there are B number of boxes and each box contains 50 mangoes, how many mangoes are there in total? B into 50, resulting 50B. This is how we have to deal with this kind of question, children. In question number 5, it's very interesting. A teacher distributes 5 pencils to per student. If there are, suppose one child is supposed to get 5 pencils. One child is supposed to get 5 pencils. So if there are 20 children in the class, how many pencils to be distributed? 20 into 5. 20 to 5 resulting 100 pencils. So one child is supposed to get 5 pencils. If there are 20 children, there are 100 number of pencils to be distributed in the class. But if the number of students we don't know, suppose there are S number of students, and each child is supposed to get 5 pencils, how many pencils are to be distributed? S into 5. S into 5 is 5S. So children, these were some basic concepts of it. If there is still any confusions regarding what is algebra, algebraic identities, expressions or equations, please do watch this video again and again. If there are still any confusions, please feel free to speak to me. Till then, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone. Thank you.